Hi again, welcome back to Modeliks. This video is about custom KPIs, the sixth section in our Dashboards module. In this Custom KPIs tab, you can build a list of any KPIs and track their performance. The Custom KPIs reports are useful for a couple of reasons. First, all businesses are different, and each one has its own relevant value drivers, or indicators, that you want to track. Since Modeliks allows you to build your financial plan based on the specific drivers of your business, it would make sense to track your actual performance on those drivers. So, in the Custom KPIs tab, first, create a custom KPI list, and give it a name. Then, add indicators to the list by searching for them in the search box. Let's add revenue as our first KPI. Then let's add lead to customer conversion rate, a specific driver that I use in my financial plan to calculate the number of customers I plan to have. It is as simple as that. You can continue to add up to 20 indicators to the list. And, if you need another list, you can create a new one by clicking on the Add Custom KPI list in the drop-down at the top of the table. In the same drop-down, you can also see all the different custom KPI lists that you have created, and you select the one that you want to view. If you don't see any numbers in some of the columns, check that you have entered actual values for those drivers, in the Actuals tab, at Enter at Driver Level. The second reason for creating a custom KPI list is to create a one-page summary of the most important performance indicators for your business. Some entrepreneurs prefer table format reports with just the most important indicators on them. If you are one of them, create your custom KPI report, and make it your primary reporting tool. In other words, if you want to look at only one-page report, with the KPIs relevant to you, you can build it here.